we present multitask reinforcement learning for quadrotors. In this work, we demonstrate a generalist policy for quadrotors able to perform multiple tasks such as stabilization from high speed, agile racing, and tracking velocity command. The key idea to use multitask reinforcement learning is to enable knowledge sharing when learning from multiple tasks. To train our multitask policy, we first separate the observations into task-specific observations and shared observations. The shared observation is then processed with an encoder, shared between tasks, while the specific observations are processed with different encoders. Then we concatenate for different tasks the share and specific embeddings. Afterwards, we use a single actor to predict the actions and using multiple critic networks to guide the task learning. The resulting multitask policy enables better sample efficiency compared to various baselines without compromising any performance. Here are more detailed results on the policy performance. We show that a single policy can stabilize at very high speeds, track random velocity from a wide range, and perform agile flight on a racetrack. In the end, we successfully demonstrate our policy in 3 different tasks in the real world.